Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning to bring nature into your home and you are searching for modern indoor plant designs, then your search can end here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best ideas that you can ever think of. So relax and watch each indoor plant designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are used by top interior designers all over the world. Growing tired of a lifeless interior? Or maybe your room's a blank canvas ready for its first dash of color. The best indoor plants can add just the right amount of intrigue. They are free form and organic yet clean and sculptural. They delight their unpredictability yet reassure with their steady presence. And their lifespan thankfully is much longer than the cut of flowers. There's nothing like a well-curated display of indoor plants. It's impressive on two levels, the artistic and the practical. In other words, you can't help but admire the beauty of an artful indoor plant display as well as the plant enthusiast's ability to keep the greenery alive. Seriously, it takes some skills to maintain plants even though the low maintenance one. Watch this video completely to get latest and modern best indoor plant design ideas. Plants have power to make any space feel more alive, no matter the time of year or the size of your home. But where to place them and how to use indoor plants can be challenging, especially if you are short on space. In this video, you will find some of the favorite ways to incorporate house plant in your interior design that are stylish, lively and beautiful. Plant stands are great ways to put your plants on full display without taking up too much space. You can usually get set and play with different heights as a focal point. If you have a cart that you are not only really using, try decorating with different plants. A classic and on-trend bar chart is a stylish, unique way to display plants. You can fill a mid-century modern bar chart with plants with some of your favorite beverages or existing decor pieces. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern indoor plants designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Design, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration designs that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior decoration and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram from the link. That empty corner of the living room, home, office or bedroom that needs some extra attention, try a tree on the ground. You can add pots and planters on the floor or large indoor plants. They look especially nice next to your sofa or accent chair. Same with an empty coffee table, nightstand or an end table. Add a plant or two on a coffee table if the plants are small enough. You can use a decorative tray to coral plants and other decor to avoid clutter. Otherwise, a simple potted plant in the middle of the table will do wonders. There are many number of reasons to include a healthy dose of plant life in any and every room of your home, including your actual health. Beyond their aesthetic value, having plant in your home reduces toxins in the air and improves the air quality, to say nothing of many and varied aromatherapy benefits that particular plant can have. These benefits range from lowering blood pressure to energizing the mind and even encouraging deeper and more healthful sleep. Numerous scientific studies have proven that plants are especially beneficial to those who are ill, insisting in the lowering of stress level among the long-term patient. The consensus is clear. Bringing green plants life into your home literally add life into the space. Plants bring plenty of advantages with them as decor accessories, including the range of colors and textures that they can be counted on to add. But one of the best thing about plant is the versatility that they offer in terms of scale. They can be small enough to accent a tiny desk or small open shelving, or they can be large enough to command floor space of their own. And if you have a room that has too little green and too much empty space, a floor plant can be just the right solution. So take a look around your home. The next time you notice that you have an empty corner, the space you just don't feel complete, you might not need to fill it with more furniture. A flower plant could be the missing ingredient that completes the room while bringing a new sense of freshness to the decor. It is important to remember how that a plant are living things. So there are few things to consider before turning your favorite room into a flower plant new home. When deciding where to place a flower plant in your space, make sure there is proper lighting to the space. Also, make sure the sizing and scale of the plant makes sense in the room. A flower plant that touches the ceiling while the rest of the furniture is low to ground may feel like it's consuming the space. So consider a 6 to 7 foot tall plant for most residential spaces. You may need a taller flower plant, however, if you are in a loft or if you have a cathedral style ceiling. On the other hand, if you are in a small apartment, consider floor plants that sit low to ground that come in around only 2 to 3 feet tall. These plants are a great alternative and are a lot easier on your wallet as well. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your latest home decoration tips and ideas. When you find yourself searching for plants to add into your decorating scheme, it's always good to remember that green isn't the only color that's available to you. Blooming plants have all of the health and aromatherapy benefit of green plants while also giving you an extra pop of color that can really set your home off. Orchids are a long-standing go-to flower among stylish and interior designers because of their sculptural silhouettes and bright engaging colors. No matter where you place them in a room setting, they make a statement that draws the eyes and brighten the room. And with good care, they can last a long time. For a short-term solution that requires less time and maintenance than caring for plant, think about using cut flowers to add a little life to your space. In addition to bringing less time consuming, flower can also be less expensive options depending on how often you choose to replace them. You can buy a bunch of cut flower for as little as a couple of dollars, but the trade-off is that they don't last as long as the potted plants. So if you choose to continually replace the flower, as they wither and cost can add up. Replacing your flowers, however, can be a great way to change up the look of your room without too much expense or efforts. However, you choose to go about it, cut flowers are a quick and easy option that can improve your mood and add some much needed pops of color to your home. So friends, hope you like this video on modern indoor plant designs. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the link is there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.